traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the euro dollar, I mean, it is definitely possible that we are going down to make it a wave C right now, like an A, B, C, before it really does go up. We're going to have to keep an eye on it because, I mean, it definitely could still just be a pullback within an uptrend, and it still could end up going up like that. Let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, it definitely does look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways up. So we do have a breaker structure, so we should be looking for sorts of time frames. And if it makes a crutch in it and turns back up, then we'll just go back to looking for longs. We'll just follow along with structure as it goes. Going down to the daily time frame, I mean, we definitely do have a 5-wave shape right here. We definitely do have a breaker structure, so we should be looking for sorts right now. Now, this first move down, I would assume is a wave A or wave 1. And I would also assume the next move up would likely be a wave B or a wave 2. Now, sometimes what we think is a wave B or a wave 2 will actually just keep on continuing the uptrend. So if we do identify the end of this trend, then I definitely will start looking for logs. And while I'm looking for logs, if it just keeps on going up, then great. While I'm looking for logs, if it makes a crutch into this move down, makes an engulfing move down, then I'll start looking for shorts again. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it's starting to look like a pretty nice clear pattern. I mean, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My last structure level was technically up here, but now that it's made a equal low, I think if it breaks this structure right here, that will tell me that this downtrend is over, that the wave A or wave 1 is complete. And like I was just explaining on the daily, the next move up should be either a wave B or a wave 2. But once we break structure, I definitely will start looking for logs and an uptrend again. Going down to the 1-hour time frame, very sideways slow market. We got CPI coming out later on tomorrow. For the US dollar, so maybe the market's kind of waiting for that. It does seem like at some point it probably will bounce off one of these fib levels, go up and break structure. But until it actually does end up breaking structure, I'm probably going to just continue to look for shorts. It's been a pretty slow market, but if you went short there, if you went short there, they're definitely pretty good trades. So the trend is your friend. I'm definitely still looking for shorts. There's really nothing stopping this from continuing to make lower lows, lower highs. If it does go up and break structure, then I will stop looking for shorts and I'll start looking for longs on pullbacks. And like I said, this first move down is either a wave A or a wave 1. The next move up should be either a wave B or a wave 2. And once we break structure, I will definitely start looking for longs either in this B or wave 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.